What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys all had a great, fantastic weekend here. So kind of just going through some charts tonight, kind of looking at what's breaking down and what potentially has room to the upside here. So one of the stocks that I'm going to be talking about here is going to be GME, GameStop. As we know, this GameStop has been ever since we had kind of this double top here going back all the way till November and the beginning of November and the mid end of November here. This 255, 240 zone. Kind of came up, tested it 2 times, broke down this first time, kind of consolidated, made that second run up. And then, just looking at the chart here, since November the 23rd, we had this big red candle and it's just been a slow bleeder. So we did lose a lot of areas of supply. All of these lines here are going to be different moving averages, supply and demand zones, different channels that we're working with here. But the last four days, Jimmy seems to have found a bottom here at around 128. Currently closed on Friday 155.64. Was up 11 points on the day, 7.5%. So with the rest of the market selling off right now and kind of hovering down there around these lower support levels, we have the IWM, the NQ looking very, very nasty in the futures market right now. The Dow Jones looking very, very nasty in the futures market right now. Triple Qs do not look good at all. So with that being said, if you're looking for a stock to play to the top side, potentially GME over this 160 is going to have room to 167. So if you have some day trades available, if you are a day trader, you are a scalper, what we're going to be looking for is this top wick to get confirmed at around 158, 159, 26. Preferably, let's just call it 160. I would like to see it get over 160. Anything over 160 could give GME some room into this 167. That's going to correlate with the 200-day moving average. I'd look to clean up our position here, meaning that I'd look to take some profits off into this 167, just due to the fact that if we do get any sort of harsh rejection at the 200 SMA and start to roll over again, you do not want to lose those profits. One thing that I do want to look at here, on Friday, we did reclaim the 5-day moving average as well as tested the 10-day moving average on Friday's session. So if you know anything about the way that I trade, the 5-day moving average is going to be the nearest term sentiment, meaning this is going to tell us who's in control for the week. Are the bulls in control? Are the bears in control? Going forward for the next 5 days, this is going to look like, until we lose the 5-day moving average, that the bulls have control. Also, all you swing traders out there, you are not going to really want to put on any swing trades unless the particular stock is trading over the 10-day moving average. We want that hard, rock hard stability, being that, if we're trading over the 5-day moving average and the 10-day moving average, have a little bit of confidence swinging these positions overnight. We did get rejected at the 10-day SMA. If tomorrow's session, which is going to be the 20th of December, if we can reclaim this 10-day moving average, we are going to have room to push it up here into this 167 zone. I think this is going to be a nice little trade setting up here. So for all you people that have been waiting for GME to kind of do something spectacular, it has been a while since this thing has done something. There's been room to the downside here to make some money, of course. Anything to the downside, what we would be looking for here is a loss of 138.75. That's going to potentially push us back down into this 129 area. So on the flip side, GME does look good to the long side. So let's keep this on watch. 160, 167 price target. Guys, if you want to join my Discord, that link is down in the description box below. Also, leave me a comment, like, subscribe on this video, and I will catch you guys all tomorrow.